Now, if you're waking up having tossed and turned and hot in a pool of sweat, it's time to upgrade your bed to new technology to make it cold like this. All right, this is the Rest Evercool Cooling Comforter. This is supposed to make us a lot cooler, and we're unboxing it. Got some good weight to it. Take it out of the wrapping. It actually feels cold to the touch. That is actually kind of crazy. It's like silk. It feels very silky. You know, the fibers in this thing are 75 times thinner than human hair, and that's probably why it feels so, oh my gosh, so cool to the touch. It even wicks moisture away from your body. So you've had that like athletic clothes that they sell. It's like that. So it keeps you cool by taking the moisture away from you. So if you sleep hot at night, this is for you. All right, let's do the sheets. Oh, nice packaging. Oh, same thing. This is so cool to the touch. I'll be honest with you, I thought it was gonna be a gimmick, and I'm super impressed with this. I feel like I just pulled it out of the refrigerator or the freezer. All right, so these are not big box sheets. They're an investment. But if you're losing sleep at night because your sheets are hot, these are gonna be worth every penny. If you're a hot sleeper or you sleep next to one, this is the easiest upgrade ever. Your bed should not heat you up. It should cool you down.